Where your career takes you depends on where you've been. Le Cordon Bleu Melbourne Culinary Arts Institute graduates continue a tradition of excellence that began 120 years ago in our world-renowned Paris Institute. With our internationally recognized programs, Le Cordon Bleu graduates travel the world, creating distinguished careers such as Julia Child and Gaston Acurio. And they started right here. Le Cordon Bleu's classic cycle programs are delivered in Melbourne by expert chefs and lecturers, including the industry-coveted Grand Diplôme, Diplôme de Cuisine, and Diplôme Avancé de Gestion Culinaire, which embeds the Australian certification Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management. Our facilities are equally impressive, including 2 brand new state-of-the-art commercial kitchens, on-site training venues, modern, comfortable teaching spaces, and fully equipped learning resource centres. International students are warmly welcomed into the multicultural Le Cordon Bleu family, and all students enjoy social networking and recreational activities available on site or through our partner institutions. It's your turn to discover for yourself the rewards of a Le Cordon Bleu education and continue the tradition of excellence.